Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open an Apple AirTag. This is something you may do if you're considering changing the battery or do a battery replacement. You can actually open the AirTag by following these steps. So you'll notice here on an AirTag, there's a plate on top. This actually separates, and you'll see there's a gap here. So the key thing here in opening up AirTag is taking your thumb and pressing it. Usually I like to hold it just about there, and then I'm going to press on it. So when I press with it, when you press it, at the same time, you're going to rotate it counterclockwise. So it's basically going to go that way. So you're going to press it and then turn it. Press and turn. And when you do that, this lid, the metal piece cover, actually just comes off. And then you can access basically the battery. If you need to replace the battery, make sure you get the CR2032 type, and the plus sign is going to be facing upwards. So it's going to be like this, very thin and small. And then once you get a replacement battery, let's say new battery, you just place it back on. Make sure again the plus side is showing up, and then you'll line it up. And then to close it up, you'll see there's 3 different spots here. You just basically line those 3 spots up, right? It just sits, just line it up. And then when you have done that, you just press and hold on both sides and turn it towards basically the right, so clockwise, and then it just sits on like this. Again, to open it, just take your thumb, make sure this isn't like wet or like it's oily. Make sure it's cleaned before you do this, and you just twist. Take a couple of tries to just get the hang of it. So that's how you open it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.